Welcome back to the Weather Centre, everyone, for an update of what Sunday evening's weather holds in store for us. Now, so far today, it's been fairly cloudy for places along the east coast. There has been some light rain around Durban during the course of today. Isolated thunder showers have developed over the interior, but scattered over some areas in the northwest province, where there's been some fairly persistent rainfall in some regions. Over the Western Cape, on the other hand, it's been a sunny and dry day with some extremely high temperatures in places. Now, a low pressure system that's moving down the west coast is going to bring fog to the region overnight. We're also expecting some overnight fog to develop along that eastern escarpment. And as we move into tomorrow, that low will travel along the south coast. We've stopped this animation just in the mid-morning hours. And there we see cooler air is going to be moving in behind it along the west coast. But over the Eastern Cape, it's going to enhance bergwind conditions, bringing some very warm weather to parts of that province. Over the interior, once again on Monday, partly cloudy weather developing. And along with that, isolated thunderstorms. A similar pattern for tonight, where we're still expecting some light rain in places along that eastern coastline. Scattered thunder showers for the northwest province, but isolated in the Free State, the Northern Cape, Gauteng, and we could see a very small chance for thunder showers as well for parts of Mpumalanga. Now for Durban this evening, we're expecting mainly cloudy skies and that chance of light rain, a minimum temperature overnight of 19 degrees. It remains very humid, but by tomorrow, northeasterly winds get up to 30 kilometers per hour, helping to clear things up. It's going to be partly cloudy and dry with a maximum of 26. On our wind stream animation, we can see the onshore flow developing along the west coast. It's going to be quite light, but it will be enough to push in that chance of fog over those areas. Northeasterly winds are going to be picking up along the eastern Cape coastline, particularly along the Wild Coast, becoming fresh to strong at times. And we're also expecting a gusty Monday afternoon across the western interior. Minimum temperatures now, and it remains warm over the far western parts of South Africa overnight. 20 degrees for Upington and 21 into Springbok. 17s along the south coast between Cape Town and Port Elizabeth. But once again, it will be cool across the high ground over eastern South Africa. Moving ahead now to tomorrow afternoon, and we're expecting another very hot day for Upington at 39 degrees. Similar temperatures extending into the southern Karoo regions of the western and eastern Cape. A warm day for Bethlehem and Pietermaritzburg at 27, and it's also going to be warm across Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Moving ahead now to Tuesday, thunder showers continuing on the Highveld. Kimberley will be sunny and hot at 36 degrees. And on Wednesday, we're expecting further thunderstorms and a hot Gauteng, and it's going to be somewhat improved for Cape Town at 24 degrees with mostly sunny skies.
News that moves. eNCA.com.